If you're looking to serve more clients in less time, AI writing tools are a game changer. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tools to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Stick with me until the end, and I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today, only for viewers of this channel. So, how can AI writing tools help you? First off, they can automate content creation, saving you hours of writing time. Whether you're generating blog posts, social media captions, or client emails, AI can handle the heavy lifting. You provide the prompt and the software delivers a draft in seconds. This means you can focus on refining your work or taking on more clients. Here's how you can use AI writing tools to streamline your process. Start by choosing a task you want to automate. For example, if you're writing an email to a client, simply input the key points into the software and it will generate a professional, polished message in minutes. You can then tweak it to match your personal tone, but the bulk of the work is done. Next, use AI to handle repetitive tasks. If you find yourself writing similar content over and over, like follow-up emails or product descriptions, AI tools can be programmed to create drafts quickly, allowing you to serve more clients without burnout. You can even set templates that the AI can use for specific clients, ensuring consistency while cutting down the time you spend on each task. And here's the best part. AI tools learn from your feedback. The more you use them, the more they adapt to your unique writing style. This means less time spent editing and more time focused on scaling your business. But it's not just about writing. AI tools also help you with SEO. Many AI writing tools can optimize your content for search engines by suggesting keywords and structuring your content for maximum impact. This means you can write content that ranks higher with minimal effort, helping you attract more clients without spending hours on SEO. Now, let's talk about the software we'll be using today. I've tried several of the most popular options, and I've found that this one really hits the mark in terms of speed, accuracy, and ease of use. If you want to follow along and try it yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. Trust me, it's a game changer if you want to take your content creation to the next level. Before I wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Using AI writing tools to serve more clients in less time isn't about replacing the human touch. It's about automating repetitive tasks and optimizing your workflow. With the right software, you can write faster, work smarter, and scale your business. Remember to take advantage of that free trial linked below to see for yourself how these tools can change the way you work. To quickly recap, start by automating tasks, use AI to handle repetitive content, and leverage its learning capabilities to improve your efficiency. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.